Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking Opal ice makers today. And in the event that your ice maker is not turning off and it's got that white illuminated ring on the push button, it's either illuminated or it's flashing, that's okay. It's doing something very important before allowing you to turn it off or before it shuts down. And we're going to talk about it. Let's head to the kitchen and check it out. All right, DIYers, here we are in the kitchen, and in front of us is our Opal ice maker, and down below in the comments and description we will have additional videos which one include unboxing this exact unit and assembling it and getting it ready to make ice. However, focusing on the top portion of the Opal ice maker, you can see that white ring is illuminated, or that white light is illuminated. And right now, if I try to turn it off, well, it won't turn off, and it is completely done making ice. In other words, if I take that ice bin out, there's basically no water left inside the internal portion of the ice maker. So again, it's done making ice, but it just won't turn off. The light won't turn green, the light won't turn blue, or again, it won't turn off. And DIYers, if you are experiencing that, hey, no issues. Here's what's going on. It is going through a self-defrost process or procedure. And my recommendation is leave it alone. Don't touch it. Don't continue to try to turn it off. Don't go to the back portion where the power cord is and unplug it from the wall. Again, the system is in a self-defrost process or procedure. Let it do its thing. Again, don't interrupt it. And here in about 15, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes at the absolute most, I don't think I've ever seen it go above 20 to 25 minutes, the self-defrost process will be complete and you can turn it off, or the light will turn green or blue. So I just wanted to share that important thing with you. Again, the defrost process. Alright, DIYers, to a quick update. I set a timer and it took 16 minutes, 16 minutes, for that white light or white ring to turn off. And right now the system is still up and running. And what it is exactly doing right now is the complete and proper shutdown procedure. Basically not just turning off. Think about it as a workout. And there it is. It's completely shut down, and just think of it as a workout. You don't go for a 4-mile jog and then completely stop. You do a proper cool down or walk for about 5 minutes, right? So again, I just wanted to show you that. All right, DIYers, hey, a quick break in the action. And in the event that you have a different model than the one shown right here in this video, you may actually have to manually shut down or turn off your unit once the system completely finishes the defrost process. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And one more reminder, don't unplug it from the wall. Allow it to complete the full defrost process. The ice maker itself will greatly appreciate that and last a lot longer. Thanks again for watching.